Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enter recovery mode on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Before you enter recovery mode, connect your device to a PC using a USB cable. So insert a USB Type-C cable into your Samsung. If you see that your device is charging, that means that you did everything right. And after that, you're gonna have to turn off your smartphone by pressing power button and volume down button at the same time. Once you see the power menu on your screen, select power off, confirm, and wait until your phone is turned off. After that, once your phone vibrates, you can start pressing power button and volume up key at the same time, and just keep pressing them both at the same time until you see the Samsung logo on your device's display. Then you can release both of them. Now you are in the recovery mode. You can navigate here using up and down arrow keys. Here have many different features, like wiping your performing factory reset, wiping your cache partition. And if you want to select an option, select it with the power button. If you want to restart your phone and get back to the system, go with Reboot System Now option, which is the first one on the list. Once you select Reboot System Now, wait until your device reboots normally. And that's basically how you manage recovery mode on your Samsung. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.